Hello. Listen, I'm so excited to be sharing this video again with you. I had an idea that I thought I should share with you. First off, before I go into today's video, a lot of you have asked that why don't I allow ads on my video? I want to keep it clean. I want to keep the content very fresh for you. I don't want nobody to be using no ad blocker on my video, and why is absolutely free. You will never see any. I hope there is no ads on my video, right? But to keep this going, guys, please, if you look right at the top this way, you would see there's a button that says support me by $1. Just $1. Majority of you drink coffee, you spend $6, £5, whatever on your coffee, just $1, right? Just to keep the content fresh. Thank you for your support. Now let's get into today's topic. It's about attitude. Everybody say the word attitude, but do you actually know what it means, right? Let me help you understand this, right? Let me help you understand it. Give me a second. Watch this. See that?
Great attitude, great results. Good attitude, good results. Fair or average attitude, fair or average results. Poor attitude, poor results.
Now, that is someone that I consider my mentor. He's long gone now. His name is Earl Nightingale. I have actually shared this link. You know what? I will share it down below where you can have access to this absolutely free. The book is called Lead the Field by Earl Nightingale. Listen, you have to consume that audiobook. A couple of my friends have actually got started and studying this book with me, and the feedback that I got from there is unbelievable, right? You hear what he just said? Everything we do is all around attitude. So what is attitude? You see, I've done a video. If you check back on some of my video, I've actually explained this. You see, see attitude like a cake, right? You see, cake is not one thing. Cake is a composition of many things, right? You got the flour, you got the sugar, egg. I don't know. With me, I need it to be a little bit, nice and spice. You see, you put all those ingredients together, that becomes a cake, right? So ask me, what is attitude? Composed of three things. Number one, the way you think about a certain thing. Number two, the way you feel about what you're thinking about. And then number three, four fingers, the way you actually want to act out that thing that you've thought about. You see, your thinking, feeling, and action have to be in alignment before you can have a good attitude, because the attitude around you will determine the kind of people you're going to bring to you. Now think about that for a second. The attitude that you have will determine the kind of thing you're going to bring to yourself. If you have a great attitude, people will always want to gravitate towards you. There'll be a few haters, I know, but majority of the people will want to gravitate towards you. So cultivate a good habit or a good attitude. How are you going to start that? You start from your thought. Think positive thought. Paul, a good writer, he said, whatever is good, whatever is just, whatever is nice, whatever is beautiful, whatever is all these good things, think about it. That is the way to start on your attitude. Now, when you start originating some positive thoughts, your emotion will start changing, because the thoughts will go down into your emotions. By the time you start feeling good about your thoughts, your emotion will kickstart the way you're going to act. Now, that is why I said the word believe, the live, L-I-V-E, and the believe is acting out. Because when you think positive and you feel good about it, your belief system will increase, and then you will start acting out what you thought and what you felt. Oh, hallelujah, somebody. Listen, That is the secret. The magic word is attitude. You change your attitude, everything will change. Change your attitude, everything will change. Let me leave you with a thought. God cannot do for you what He can do to and through you. That is a change of attitude. Don't wait for some magical things to happen. You got to go out and step out, because when the success is coming to you, if it's going to go through you, what does that mean? It means you actually helping other people with your success. The way you're watching this video now, the way I'm having these thoughts, these ideas, and I'm sharing this video with you, guess what? More people will want information like this. So because I'm giving it out, more is going to come. What a change of attitude that is. Whatever you're doing, always think about, how can I use this to help somebody else? You'll be able to do more. Now that you know better, go do better. This is your boy, Coach AOG. How are you, great? Thank you for watching this. Peace out.